What's going on, guys? It's Nick from Ralph Consultants back with another video. So real quick, man, this is going to be a video really geared to people who are in the market for a new vehicle. I recently got put onto this, like literally like a day or two ago. If you want those people, man, you want to be big balling, big money or whatever. But you know that comes with a cost. You know what I mean? You follow my Instagram, you would know I did a post about a guy who trying to get a Hellcat from credit acceptance with a jacked up interest rate. Um, it was insane, but really this is more geared to how to avoid all that. If you're wondering how, like a guy like, for example, Stephen Lau, if you're familiar, that's the Ty Lopez kid guy who got all those credit cards and funding and stuff like that. This is where he gets his cars from. He goes to a website like Swap Police, and he'll look for, say, for example, a Tesla, right? So say we're looking for Tesla. So this is my old zip code from back in New Orleans. I no longer live nowhere near that area. But let's see, we're looking for a Tesla, or hell, or a Range or something, or a Benz. Let's go. Let's look at a Benz. Just see what we can come up with. So real quick, as you can see, these prices are freaking insane, especially for new model Benzes, right? So for the sake of really this video, let's go ahead and click on this one. 2019 Mercedes class. And mind you, it's all the way in Oakland, but you can get that shipped to you. So your monthly payment is going to be $269 with 21 months, right? Now, mind you, this is the damn near brand new car because these cars are leased, and you will have to bring them back after the lease term, but you're pretty much driving a brand new fucking car, right? So $269 a month after $8,000 incentive applied. You know what I mean? You really beat that. And I don't think there's any down payment on here. Nope. No down payment. You got to pay a lease transfer fee, and then you're in a brand new fucking Benz. And really, a lot of these people, they'll get a lease. They want to get out of it. Especially on like exotic cars and shit like that. So do be mindful of that. So you want to pretty much drive a new damn car every couple of years. Most definitely get somebody who wants to be out of their lease. You know what I mean? So this is some quick game that somebody put me on to. Oh, and by the way, you want to have at least a 700 or something to give you the best, really